My dear students, today we will be study about the Gauss theorem or Gauss law and proving of Gauss theorem. According to Gauss theorem, the total electric flux passes through a closed imaginary surface placed in an external electric field is equal to the 1 upon epsilon naught part of enclosed charge by the imaginary surface. फिर एक बार ध्यान से देखिएगा कि अकॉर्डिंग टू गॉस थ्योरम द टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन्स आर द टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स passes through a closed imaginary surface placed in an external electric field is equal to the 1 upon epsilon naught part of the total amount of charge enclosed by the imaginary surface. If Q is the amount of enclosed charge by the closed imaginary surface of area कैपिटल ए, अगर आप सपोज कर लो कि कोई इमेजिनरी सरफेस है और जिसका एरिया ए है और उसके टोटल जो है अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज जो है उस सरफेस द्वारा जो इनक्लोज चार्ज है वो क्यू है, देन अकॉर्डिंग टू गॉस थ्योरम वी कैन राइट phi E is equal to Q upon epsilon naught, where epsilon naught is the permittivity of space. We know the electric flux passes through a surface. Phi E is equal to closed integration vector E into dA. Taken equation 1 and 2, compare the equation 1 and 2, we get phi E is equal to closed integration vector E dot vector dA is equal to Q by epsilon naught. It is Gauss theorem. The Gauss theorem, it is face of the integral face of the Gauss theorem. इस टर्म को जो है इंटीग्रल फेस ऑफ गॉस थ्योरम कहा जाता है. नेक्स्ट, प्रूफिंग ऑफ गॉस लॉ. कंसीडर a plus q charge enclosed by a closed imaginary surface of radius small r, This closed imaginary surface is called Gaussian surface. We taken a small area element of imaginary surface of area vector dA. The direction of area vector is perpendicular away to the center, and the electric field, the direction of electric field along the direction of radius of imaginary surface from away to the infinity, where OP is equal to R. OP को आप रेडियस सपोज कर सकते हैं, where थीटा is the angle between vector E and vector dA. The electric flux passes through the imaginary surface of area element vector dA. d phi e is equal to vector E into vector dA cos theta. Taken equation 1. The total electric flux passes through the total imaginary surface is integrate the equation 1 की integration d phi e is equal to close integration vector E into vector dA cos theta. और phi E is equal to close integration E into dA cos theta. We know vector E is equal to constant. The electric field set up by a point charge at any point have constant value. Then integration, then phi E is equal to E into integration dA cos theta. We know the electric field set up by charge plus Q at the point P E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Put the value of E in equations first. E in equation first. Put the value of E in equation second. Then phi E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into close integration dA cos theta upon R square, where mod vector dA is equal to dA. We know dA cos theta upon R square is equal to d omega, where d omega is the solid angle subtend at the center of Gaussian surface by vector dA. Then phi E is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught close integration d omega, where close integration d omega is equal to 4 pi radian. According to definition of 1 steradian, then phi E is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 4 pi. The 4 pi cancels each other. Then phi E is equal to q by epsilon naught. It is Gauss theorem. यहीं पर सेकेंड मेथड में जो सेकेंड मेथड कि फ्रॉम द इक्वेशन 1 कि इंटीग्रेशन डी फाई ई इज इक्वल टू क्लोज इंटीग्रेशन मॉड वेक्टर ई इंटू मॉड वेक्टर डी ए कॉस थीटा if theta is equal to 0, then cos 0 is equal to 1. Zero is equal to 1. Cos 0 is equal to 1. And phi E is equal to close integration mod vector E into mod vector dA. Put the value of mod vector E, then we get phi E is equal to phi E is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square close integration dA, where close integration dA is equal to 4 pi r square, where 4 pi r square is the area of Gaussian surface. Put the value of integration close integration dA. So phi E is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught upon r square into 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square cancel. Phi E is equal to q by epsilon naught. It is Gauss theorem. तो आप यहाँ से भी प्रूफ कर सकते हो, वैसे भी प्रूफ कर सकते हैं.